Hi everyone, today's makeup tutorial is a very simple, quick, easy look that you can do in 5 minutes. So, first things first, foundation, obviously. Now that looks really pale, but that's just because I am. Concealer under the eyes and kind of everywhere. Don't forget the mustache. Powder. Just because I have oily skin, so I prefer to powder. If you don't, skip it. And then bronzer. I'm using Hoola by Benefit because it really works for me. Just depending on your skin tone, pick something that is warm enough but not too bronzy. And then with the same bronzer and a big fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm using that as eyeshadow. Nothing too crazy, just defining the eyes a little bit more. And then this is Nylon from MAC, and I'm using that to highlight my brow bone as well as my inner corner, just to look a little bit more awake. Bit of brow gel, set those bad boys in place. I did put fake lashes on because it's very easy for me to do. If you don't feel like it, just do mascara, you know. And then liquid lipstick, because it stays and it doesn't move. This is Colourpop. It's called Rever. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm doing a bold lip because I like it, and that way I look like I've made an effort when actually I didn't. If bold lips are not for you, just do a nude or a lip gloss, and that's literally it. You're done. Super quick, very easy. Go live your best life. Do a little dance, go crazy, have fun.